So this could basically help someone to jumpstart their gym workout session. Yo, I never knew I could enjoy working out. Honestly, like, strength training has to be like the shit. Ever since I incorporated strength training into my routines, I have been seeing a lot of definitions and a lot of results. I used to have back fat here, but I think I don't really see them anymore. Let's go. So I wanted to show you what it's like a day at the gym with me, and just basically what I do to kind of incorporate cardio and strength training together. When I go to the gym to run cardio, I start off with a 3 minutes warm up of like just 3.5, and I'm just walking, doing stuff, getting ready, putting in my headphones. So once my warm up is done, I go right into cardio intervals. I love intervals because it allows your heart rate to stay up at all times, and also for me, I get bored easily. So if I'm just on a treadmill for like an hour, just doing the same pace, I'll probably get bored, watch a movie, and then I kind of lose mindfulness of being at the gym. I feel like being mindful when you're working out allows you to put more energy and channel more energy into working out. So I like intervals because it keeps my attention like, Mo, we're working out, come on, let's put your energy, put your effort, let's do this, like that kind of energy. So I enjoy intervals. So what I do is I do 1 minute run, and then I could do the next minute off. 1 minute run, 1 minute walk, or 1 minute run, and then I do like jumping jacks for the next minute. Also, I know that I sweat way more when I do intervals. So intervals is definitely my choice of cardio. After I finish my cardio session, which usually I'm already dripping in sweat, so I go for the strength training session. And with the strength training session, what I do is I do a series of 4 to 5 exercises. I do them for 10 to 15 reps with heavy weights, and 2 to 3 times depending on if I'm feeling the burn. Today I kind of focused on my abs and my thighs, so I did lunges with weights. Every time you do any exercise, just make sure you add weights to it, so that even helps you burn even more. I ended up doing jump squats. I didn't use weights on that one because that was my first time doing jump squats. I hate jumping. I don't know why, but I just hate it because I don't know, I'm scared of balance. But today I challenged myself and I did it, so the next time I do that, I'll probably add weights to it. I do a lot more burpees now. I remember before it used to be so hard to do one burpee, and now I could do like 10 in one round. Like, that's definitely progression, so loving that. So a lot of times when I do strength training, I focus on upper body or lower body, and lower body being your core and your thighs, or your arms is upper body. So your arms, upper body, and then your core and your thighs for lower body. So when I'm working out, when I'm, depending on the day, I could decide, okay, today I'm going to focus on upper body, tomorrow I'll focus on lower body. But today was really much more focused on lower body. So after the gym, I feel so good. Like, I love when I have like a good sweat after the gym. Like, I just feel so much stronger. At least now you can like see a definition of like my abs. Even my arms feel like more toned. I feel stronger, and I just enjoy working out a lot. I still have to work on the bottom belly, but the top is looking good. I don't know if, is it just me, but like when I record my workouts, or like, for example, I record videos on Instagram for like my first 2 rounds, and honestly, when I record my workout, I do much better. I feel the burn every time I record myself doing it. Follow me on Instagram, you can probably see my workout videos on there. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for like, what workout can I do this week, this would be a great one for you to do. You can do warm up for 3 minutes, do interval runnings 5 times at a speed that's good for you. Just make sure that the sprinting is 6.0 or higher, and then you can walk at 3.5, but something more than the warm-up. So my warm-ups are usually 3, and then my walks when I'm taking the break will be like 3.5 or 4. For cores, just make sure you pick 5 exercises that you're comfortable with, lower body or upper body. Make sure you do 10 to 12 reps with heavy weights. So yeah, that's my workout advice for beginners like myself, and hope it works for you. All right, I gotta go shower now, but thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, you know the deal. All right, peace and love.